1847, the Cherokee Nation built the Cherokee Female Seminary in Park Hill near Tahlequah. It hadn't even been 10 years since the tribe was forced to relocate here following the Trail of Tears. The boarding school was the first institution of higher learning for women west of the Mississippi. The Cherokee Female Seminary educated thousands of Cherokees, and even non-Indian families clamored to send their daughters there. Studies included Latin, botany, chemistry, physics, and music. Tragically, on Easter Sunday in 1887, the school burned to the ground. But less than a year later, in 1888, the Cherokee Nation rebuilt the school on what is now the campus of Northeastern State University in Tahlequah. It's still a centerpiece of the campus today. The female seminary was a major contributor to the high literacy rates of Cherokee citizens, and by the 1890s, Cherokee literacy was higher than those of Arkansas or Texas. 3 columns from the female seminary survived that fire and are now part of the Cherokee Heritage Center in Park Hill, serving as a reminder of the school's presence there and creating a dramatic entrance for the center's thousands of visitors every year.